Hey YouTube, quick video today showing you how to take a screenshot using the Snipping Tool app that is built into Windows 10. I really recommend you use this app for taking screenshots if you don't already do so. The reason being it's built into Windows 10, like I say, it means you don't have to go and download anything else. It's really easy to use and it gives you a lot of flexibility. So let me show you what I mean by this. So here I am on my desktop and say I want to capture a screenshot of, let's find something to capture. Let's go to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel. So here we go, YouTube channel. Say I want to capture a screenshot of this. I would simply do a search for something called the Snipping Tool. So down to Windows search box, click in there, type in snipping. You'll see this comes up, Snipping Tool app. Click on that, and the Snipping Tool opens. If you're looking to take a quick, easy, straightforward screenshot, click New. You'll see the whole screen goes a faded grey sort of color. That means it's ready for you to take a screenshot. You can then simply drag around the area you want to capture and release using the left click on your mouse. So I'll capture this part here. So hold down the left click and drag down the section you're looking for, and then release left click of the mouse. And there you go. You can see I have captured this part of my YouTube channel. I then do a file, save as, and you can choose where to save it. You can choose what type of file to save it as. I'm happy with that, so I'll leave it be. Give it a save, and there we go. I've successfully done a screenshot using Snipping Tool. Good quality. As you can see, that's it there, nice and easy. Um, so that's really it. If that's all you're looking to do, that's you sorted. I'll show you a few of the other options with the Snipping Tool if you're interested. So again, let's open up my YouTube channel. Again, back to Snipping Tool. There is other modes for capturing screenshots. If you click the drop down arrow beside mode, you get a freeform snip, which gives you more creativity, but it's a lot trickier. This is handy for graphic designers and people who work with media a lot. So instead of just a simple rectangular snip, you could snip a certain shape. So let's say I just want to snip around here. That's not a very good circle, but that'll do. You get the idea. So I've managed to snip and capture that. And there you go. You can simply save it again. That's that screenshot taken. Other options, again, drop down arrow beside mode. Rectangular snip, that's the one we first of all did, which was a simple rectangular screenshot. Nice and easy. Other option, window snip, that will capture the entire window. So window snip selected, then click new snip. So you can see here, this is my Google Chrome window. This is the desktop. Say I want to capture the whole Google Chrome window. Hover over there, left click, and there you go. You can see the whole window of Google Chrome's been captured. You can then save that as normal. But like I say, I'm not wanting to do that just now. That was just to show you guys how to do it. So I'll close that off, go back into the snipping tool. There's one more way of capturing screenshots. That's the full screen snip, which will literally capture your entire screen. So that would include your taskbar and everything. So as you can see, it just takes it straight away. Full screen snip's done. You can see taskbar down here. So yeah, you get that option as well. The thing I really like about the snipping tool is the delay function, which I find really handy. Say, for example, you're wanting to capture a screenshot of something in your start menu. It's not as simple as clicking new when the start menu is open. So say open your start menu, click new. You don't get enough time to jump to the start menu. It disappears once you've clicked on new, the start menu minimizes. So what you need to do is set a delay. So for example, say I set a 3-second delay. So again, the drop down arrow beside the delay and you can choose your duration. So 3-second delay is selected, and then say I'm looking to capture a certain program. Say I'm looking to capture this Excel um, program here in the start menu. So my delay set, click new. It will then do a 3-second countdown, which gives you enough time to go back to the start menu, open it up and capture that screenshot. So click new, start menu disappears, but 3 seconds, counting down, and there we go, it's frozen the whole screen. So it's really handy, like I say, if you're looking to capture windows that tend to minimize once you've clicked off of them. So I use this a lot with all sorts of things. Might be handy for you as well. So yeah, worth checking out the delay options and playing about with that if you need to. What else is worth explaining? Let's see. Another good thing with the snipping tool, if you're not familiar with it, you can mark up on the images you capture. Quite well, not too advanced, but you can do basic markup. So once you've captured the screenshot and it's still open within the snipping tool window, you can then select the pen icon. You can choose colors here, so red, blue, black. You can do a custom. I usually just have the red selected because it shows up easy. It's nice to see. And then you can, this is really handy if you're troubleshooting things or you're looking to get help with particular error messages and stuff. Say you're posting them on forums online or you're sending them to people to get remote support. You can literally circle what you're needing to show them. You can also use the highlighter. And like I say, this all comes standard with Snipping Tool. It's all there. You don't have to go and add any extras to it. So highlighter lets you simply highlight, quite nice and simple. You also get the rubber icon, so you can remove what you've done. So again, they're all extremely useful and worth using if you're looking to get proper relevant screenshots. It's also really easy once you've actually captured a screenshot to copy the screenshot into something else. So here we go, I've captured the screenshot here. Highlight, hover over the copy icon, click on copy, and then that would simply be a case of Control V or pasting into a document, and there you go, that's it, copied straight over. Similar to like the Control print screen, Windows key print screen, like I mentioned before, but again, the extra flexibility you get with the snipping tool makes it worth using, in my opinion. So yeah, good tool, nice and easy to use. That's how you take a screenshot using Windows 10. I hope this has helped. If you've got any questions or thoughts, please leave me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.